In this video, I'll show you the difference between Robinhood and Binance for crypto and which one is better for you. First, open both apps and go to the crypto or trade section so you can compare how each platform works. Robinhood is very simple and beginner-friendly. You can search for a cryptocurrency, tap on it, and buy or sell instantly with a clean interface. It doesn't charge traditional trading fees, but the cost is included in the spread. It's great if you want a quick and easy way to get started. Binance, on the other hand, is much more advanced. Open the app and go to the markets or trade section, and you'll see detailed charts, multiple order types, and a large variety of cryptocurrencies. It also offers features like staking, futures, and earning options, giving you more ways to use your crypto. When it comes to control, Binance allows you to transfer crypto, use wallets, and access more tools, while Robinhood is more limited but easier to use. If you want simplicity and fast buying, Robinhood is a good choice. If you want advanced features, more coins, and full control over your crypto, Binance is usually the better option. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.